Hey everyone, welcome back to day 4 of our AWS Essential Challenge. In day 3, we explored Amazon EC2, launching, connecting and managing your virtual machines. But today, we are moving to another crucial foundations of AWS, that is storage. Let's understand how AWS stores data, protects it and optimizes cost with services like S3, EBS and Lifecycle Rules. AWS provides different types of storage services depending on your needs, whether you want to store files, block data, or archives. There are three main types you will come across often. The first one is S3, Simple Storage Service. It's an object storage. The second is EBS, that's Elastic Block Store. It's a block storage. The third is EFS, that's Elastic File System. It's shared file storage. Let's focus mainly on S3 and EBS, since those are most commonly used with EC2. Let's start with Amazon S3, that's Simple Storage Service. Think of S3 as your infinite cloud hard drive. You can store any amount of data anytime from anywhere. Data in S3 is stored in buckets like folders. And inside buckets, you store objects which can be files, images, videos or backups. Each object has three things. The first one is a key, that is a name. The second is the data, the actual content. The third is metadata, it's a extra information like file type or encryptions. Next, we can see the S3 key features. The first one is durability, that is 99.9999%, that is 11 nines. Your data is safe even if order fails. The second is scalability, no need to worry about storage limits. The third is security, you can manage access with bucket policies, IAM rules or ACLS. Fourth one is versioning, keeps older versions of your files for recovery. The fifth is static website hosting. You can even host a simple website directly from an S3 bucket. AWS gives you different S3 storage classes based on how frequently you access data. The first one is S3 standard. It's a frequently accessed data. It's a default one. The second is S3 intelligent tiering. That automatically moves data to cheaper storage when not accessed often. The third is S3 standard IA. IA is a infrequent access, cheaper for less used data. The fourth one is S3 Glacier or Glacier Deep Archive for long-term backups and archives. Super low cost but slower to retrieve. For example, you can store daily reports in standard and move older report to Glacier after 90 days using a lifecycle rule. Next, you can see what is lifecycle rules. Lifecycle rules helps you automate data movement and deletion in S3. You can create a rule for after 30 days, after 90 days and after 365 days. The first one is after 30 days. Move data from S3 standard to standard IA. Second one is after 90 days. Move to Glacier. Third is after 365 days. Delete old objects. This keeps your storage optimized and reduces cost automatically.